Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Estate Tours. Today we are here at GM Residency opposite to PVNR Expressway pillar number 243. In this video, we present you a newly constructed penthouse on the 6th floor of this apartment called GM Residency. This residency has all the necessary amenities like parking for your vehicles, lifts, electricity, power backup, water supply, security and a well-connected location with nearby schools, hospitals, restaurants, malls, etc. Let's go and check out the penthouse which is for sale. Upon entering through the beautifully crafted wooden doors, you'll immediately notice the beauty of this penthouse, the lightings, the marble flooring, the paint scheme, windows and everything, all are pleasing to the eyes. On the left is your modular kitchen. This kitchen is planned efficiently with classy cabinets, a sleek countertop. It also has connectivity options for appliances and a high quality functional chimney. There is ample storage for your daily supplies and grocery as well. Beside the kitchen is your utility area. Good space for your daily needs. There is also space for natural light flow and a beautiful view. Now entering the first bedroom. This bedroom is adequately spaced. It has beautiful ceiling and a cabinet work already installed for your storage needs. There is a large window for ventilation and a mosquito mesh installed for your comfort. Here is the attached washroom, which is efficiently planned and comes with branded fixtures. There is exhaust fan installed as well. Now let's check out the massive hall. Just look at the space here. The ceiling design is beautiful. Attached to the hall is a wide opening covered with sliding doors. You can enjoy the view and sunsets here. This is bedroom number 2. The ceiling here is different and elegant. It has large window for natural light. There is a wooden cabinet and a full mirror installed as well. Coming out, let's check out the bedroom number 3. This bedroom can be your master bedroom as well. It has 2 wide windows, a beautiful ceiling and a wooden cabinet with a dressing table installed. It is decently spaced and also it has attached washroom. And there is your bedroom number 4. On the right you have your common washroom. So every design element and color that was chosen here reflects the decency and class. For details like price, location, construction age, community size, materials used, or any other question you might have, or if you want to schedule a visit, you can call the number that is provided in the video. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time.